G'day guys, today we're going to be building this tyre chain arch small. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. So when you're digging out your holes, you can mark out exactly where the tyres are going to go, use the tyres as a reference themselves, but then work smarter, not harder. If you're digging those holes, they're going to be at their deepest point in the centre, where those tyres are going to be dipping in. A good way to make sure that all of your holes are going to be in the same spot is to make yourself a little template. You can use anything really. I've got an old piece of cardboard here that we're going to use, and we'll just mark out those holes so they're exactly the same spot for each one. So we're going to stack them on top of each other and mark out at 3 different points where they align, and use those with a template where to drill and bolt them. You can make adjustments to those holes where it's going to be needed, because you want those 2 pairs of tyres sitting on top to have a little gap underneath, so they're going to be resting on the tyres on either side of them. We're also then going to be bolting 2 tyres onto either side of that middle hole with the tyres in there, again going down about 40 centimetres. And then the rest of those tyres can just be bolted together, tread to tread, so that'd be a really nice strong connection you got there. Make sure that all of those bolts are really tight. Get a ratchet if you've got one available, otherwise just a couple of spanners on both sides and that'll get the job done. Where you want to make sure that you fill in that earth really tight. It's very easy to just throw the dirt in there, but you want to ensure that you get right inside of those small gaps, and that'll just make the whole thing so much stronger. So with all of these pieces, if there's any tyres that have the ability for water to be pooling in there, make sure you drill some really wide holes so that the water can flow through really easily. If you have any issues along the way, grab yourself one of these step-by-step instructions, and that'll just show you how to go about building these pieces. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.